In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Ga4 user interface. To begin, open Google Analytics and go to the Analytics Home area. Once you are in the interface, look to the left-hand navigation and select Home. The home page is designed to give you a quick, high-level view of what is happening in your property, so it is a good starting point whenever you sign in. On the home screen, find the Recently Accessed section and click into it. This area helps you pick up where you left off by showing the reports and pages you viewed most recently. It is especially useful if you regularly check the same dashboards, because it reduces the time you spend searching through menus. Next, click on Suggested for You. This section surfaces reports and views that Google Analytics thinks are most relevant based on your usage patterns and the data that is coming into your property. When you are still learning Ga4, this is a helpful way to discover useful reports without needing to know exactly where everything is located. After that, click on Insights and Recommendations. This part of Ga4 highlights notable changes in your data and may offer suggestions that can improve measurement or help you interpret performance. When you review insights, focus on the context around spikes or drops, and remember to compare against the same days of the week when relevant, since traffic often varies by weekday. Now click on the highlighted navigation item to move into the next main area of the interface. Then click on the next highlighted item as you continue through the primary sections. As you do this, pay attention to how the left navigation groups features into major work areas, so you can quickly return to the section you need later. Continue by clicking the next highlighted item to open the analysis area. This is where you can explore data more deeply and interact with more flexible views. Then click the next highlighted item to move into the advertising section, where Ga4 organizes advertising-related reporting and attribution-focused views. Click the next highlighted area again to continue exploring what is available within advertising. Finally, go to the admin area and click All Accounts. This is where you manage account and property level settings. From here, follow the remaining highlighted areas to review the available configuration sections. Move carefully in admin, since changes here can affect your data collection and reporting. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.